us off with Cooking with Karen.
It's the first thing. You're not going to be.
You're not some Karen guy.
You're Rocky. You're Rocky. You're Rocky. Shout out to Kaya.
Oh, wait a minute. Whoa. No. Okay.
Say Almond. Say Almond. Almond. Making today.
Where your mic at, Shotty?
Oh, right. I don't have one.
It's right over there.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Hey, y'all.
Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 8. 7, 8.
I had to get something down in there.
What's wrong with me doing? You guys.
I tagged your thing too.
Oh. Yeah, I've actually been here before. All right, y'all.
All right, you guys. It has brought to my attention that you want to know how to make almond milk. And today we're going to teach you. So, first of all, let's introduce my co-host, Karen. Hey, round of applause for Karen.
My name is Karen. If you don't know, follow me on Instagram at The Desired Party. And as you already know, mentioned by Rocky, we're going to be making almond milk from scratch.
From scratch.
Exactly what's going into your body.
From scratch.
Exactly.
Where are you measuring cups? Okay, guys. So I received this almond milk maker, I think a year or 2 years ago, as a holiday gift. You know, Christ mass gifts, you know, and I love it. This is one of the most valuable gifts ever because we're big on healthy eats. We're big on putting in things in our body that we can vouch for, that we know what we're, consuming. So as long as you know what ingredients you're having, it's really a hard time to have error. Don't you agree?
And it's actually funny because we were just discussing how when it comes to, foods that we're putting in our systems, we're not sure of the ingredients that are being put into these foods. Mm-hmm. And something as simple as milk can be so processed. Like, for example, you even have almond milk in your fridge right now, and it says containing almonds. Not as if it's mainly made out of almonds. It's as if they put 1 grain of almond in there. So it's really cool to know that we can fuel. It's really cool to know that we can fuel our bodies with foods as simple as this, like in terms of us making our own milks, us making our own anything really to just.
Hi, I have a visitor. Another friend just stopped by. But yeah, exactly like Karen is saying.
Yeah,
like simple ingredients.
Right.
Today, hold on, yes, Junior, what happened? You want some water? What happened? Get some water? You can go. You're not going to be anything. Maybe a little bit. It's okay.
Is it rolling? Is it live?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Down the bottom, baby, and the box to the right.
Oh, this is pretty cool. I'm excited.
Yes. We're just doing this, and then we're all yours.
No, I'm learning. Yeah, that's your thing.
She gave me this outfit. Okay. Kid is out the way. So yeah, the ingredients today we have almonds, prune. I like prune for fiber, and it also gives it a little bit of sweetness to it.
Right.
And that's about it. And some water. That's really it.
3 ingredients.
Darling, if you would mind, check the closet and pop out a gallon of water for us, please.
Right at the bottom?
I believe right there.
Right. This one.
Right. Oh, that is.
Oh, this one.
Oh, that's good. Oh. Thank you, guys. This is not a promo, but spring water for the win, okay? So, you're going to, it takes a cup of almonds, right? So we're soaking half.
And how long did we soak it for?
6 hours to 24 hours. This was from this morning. I didn't do a 24-hour soak today.
But
But
the longer you soak it for, is it the softer it gets, or
I believe so.
that's
I
what it
never
is?
really...
Or did it extract more from the almond? Tomato, potato.
Potato. So, here we go. Just taking it apart. So in here is where you're gonna pour the almond, and we're gonna pour the soaked almond, the half of it that's been soaked already. If you don't mind filling that out to where it says
Minimum or maximum?
I would say minimum, since we're gonna use this little bottle.
Okay.
With
With
the water.
spring water.
Mhm.
Okay.
So you see, we just poured in the half of this.
And you said minimum, right?
Yes. So minimum. Minimum is good. And then the other half is gonna be dry.
And just for reference, guys, where it says minimum, it's just under half of this container.
Yeah.
Just under half. All right. That's where the line is. You can see it from the inside.
And then, y'all, I love me some prunes.
That's it.
Mm-hmm. So for me, I'm gonna add 3 prunes by now.
What do you think?
Would you like to try it? It's a prune.
It's very green.
Yeah. Prunes have a lot of fiber in it, y'all. This is the part that I never understood. You kind of have to fight to get the blade in this tray, but it's all good. Come on. Oh, and I forgot to say, you can also add almonds. You like it, huh?
Hey, you know how to make something, you got to see the ingredients.
It's just prunes. It's only prunes. You can add cinnamon or even nutmeg, whatever the case may be. Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
So we're gonna do 2 runs. All you gotta do is show them, Karen. Little, right? I don't know if we tip it over the water, it might.
But there is a blue light
with
on
the
top, and it's currently plugged in.
Mm-hmm. This is literally how we are every day.
Oh wait, this is light? This is not light.
This is life here.
No way.
With Karen. All right, y'all. The alarm just went off and just kind of interrupted everything. But go on.
Oh yes. Okay, so we plugged it in. There is a blue light here indicating that it is on, and you're saying that we just tap it once.
Just tap it one time. It's gonna run its. Yeah, just
Right, of course. Now it's
same.
how long does it take?
2 minutes or less, actually. It's gonna stop and it's gonna do it again. But I like to run it one more time. It's gonna do it again.
And what's going on in here?
Can you? It's spraying it up. Can you give them an up close?
On the one of the phone?
Mm-mm. We can have a up close.
Oh, right. Okay.
Here we are. See?
Uh-huh.
Y'all can hear it. We're gonna tap it.
Maybe I should be lifting appliances while it's turned on.
Did you tip it?
Be careful.
All right, do it one more time. Oh, no, it wasn't done. So when it senses that it still have, yeah,
Okay.
it chips in again. You see? So in fact, when you soak it, it probably helps with the texture.
Breaking it
too.
down.
Yeah.
To, yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna run it one more time, guys. And this time it's not gonna run for too long
Because it's already dry.
Mm-hmm. The second time might be shorter. I forgot about the camera here. Is it done?
I think it turned blue.
Yeah, it will. Yeah. I'm excited.
I want to stop a lot. It's like pouring the water in it. People are me.
That one is so probably not from. No. Yes.
That's the more.
Yeah.
I don't know. I might just have time to go to the store and buy me.
No. Look, this is the way to go. We were supposed to play a question game in the meantime. It's cool. I mean,
I got a question for you.
oh, what's the question? All right, the light is blue now.
Oh, it's saved by the light.
Go on.
I really didn't have this prepared.
Yeah,
I lied to you. I'm sorry.
But you know what? I don't think I should pour it out like that. Look at this. Yo, let's get up close of that. You want? Let me get it. Yeah. So y'all can see.
This is my
I was
first
trying to ask you
time.
today. She said, does almond have milk in it? Yes.
Almond is milk. Yo, what?
Yeah.
Do you see that?
Oh, shit, I'm back here struggling. Let me put it in. All milky.
And
All
it's
right,
a bit frothy.
Mm-hmm. Let's stand it up so I can pour it out.
Oh, right,
To show the people.
right.
We're going to turn it a little bit more, Mama. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
All right, so we pour in. Look at that.
I'm not gonna lie to you. This is pretty cool.
Yeah. You know what?
That's
you
pretty
put in your
cool.
body.
That's pretty cool. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yes.
Try it out.
Yes. You like to try?
I need to try it. Yes. And I'm being very honest.
Yeah.
Because what if this is good? I'm be back in my room.
I'm not really a sweet person. And like,
I'm not really a
feeling
almond
fresh
person.
side.
So.
Yeah, go on. Oh, shoot. Yeah. This is what they had to live through.
This is almond milk. My goodness.
Yeah, she never. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This is good. This is really good. I would do mine with cinnamon and nutmeg.
Yes.
Just cause. Yeah.
You can add vanilla.
This is.
You can mix them how you want. You can add oats to your almond also. Oats, whatever the case is, cashew. The recipes are endless.
It's pretty good.
I'm going to drop the recipe in the description. That's what we're going to do, right?
We're going to do that. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, and we're going to close this off with Cooking with Karen.
It's the best.
You're not going to be You're
No, you're Rocky. You're Rocky. Shout out to Kaya.
Oh, wait a minute. Whoa. No. Okay.
Say Almond. Say Almond. Almond. Almond.
All right, guys. Somebody go turn the camera off. What? All right, y'all. Bye. Until next time.